My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website bunglingissuenet583.ga. In fact, this is a deceptive pop-up that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This is a fake Windows Defender security warning. Some people may see these pop-ups and they may be scared by the faulty messages. These pop-ups claim to be related to Windows support or to Microsoft, but they are not related to Microsoft or Windows. These pop-ups quote this fake Windows support number +1 877 295 2765. If people call this fake Windows support number, they would hear some online criminals who will try to connect to the computer remotely. Then they may infect the system even more dramatically and demand from the victims to pay money, supposedly to get it fixed. Interacting with these pop-ups is strongly not recommended because, as I said, you may be forced by the hackers to download some potentially unwanted software or to make payments supposedly for fixing your computer, but these hackers simply care about your money. So don't ever interact with these pop-ups. I recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.